Hi, zo.azubuike here with Edge Home Finance. Just wanted to go over real quick this debt to income ratio worksheet. Now, this one isn't exactly yours. This is a sample of one, but it's very similar to how yours is going to work. So the main things that you want to remember is you want to mainly look at the mortgage calculator. This is going to be your total payment right here. And the numbers that you want to change are these white cells with the black borders around them. So as you can see here, if you change these cells, 300,000 put input instead of 250, you can see the numbers are going to change. The monthly payment's going to change. If you know what your total annual taxes are, you can change that, and it's going to change your monthly. So this is the section that you want to see your monthly. I will adjust these parts, the parts that are connected to monthly mortgage insurance rate and things like that. And interest rate, you just kind of can leave the interest rate that I had in there when I sent it to you, but you can also change it if you want to see what rates will look like differently on the payments. So the main thing that you want to pay attention to on this sheet is you want to make sure that your debt to income ratio is not past 45%. This is if you're going conventional. Now, I'll advise you accordingly. If you're going for FHA, this can go up to 57% on the back end. This is your back end debt to income ratio. This is your front end. But if you're going for conventional, you want this number to be under 45%. So that means you would need to bring down this number here and ideally have it under 45%. So this is how you'll know what loan amount you qualify for. This is sample debts in here. This is a Wells Fargo payment, Bank of America revolving credit card. And so we'll have it exactly to what yours shows up on the credit reports. But just wanted to show you this sample. The next tab here, the loan estimate, this gives you an idea of what you can expect for closing costs. So basically, you'll scroll down to the bottom here to see your calculating cash to close. Anything that you change on the debt to income ratio calculator will adjust everything in your closing costs automatically. So you'll see your monthly payment breakdown is going to be very similar to what you saw here. There's your total payment here. And you can see there's your total payment there. And it's going to take your down payment and your closing costs and give you a total estimated cash to close. So that is how the debt to income ratio worksheet works, and the loan estimate tab as well with it. So feel free to utilize it, bookmark it. Anytime you have a different house that you're looking at with different numbers, you can always come in here and plug it and see what the numbers will look like in relation to what you qualify for, knowing what your max debt to income ratio is. So hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will talk soon.